How to migrate Wix to Shopify store. I'm going to tell you how to migrate your Wix store to Shopify. You have three ways to do it: manual migration using CSV files, using a third party app, or hiring a Shopify expert. Manually, you'd start by exporting products, customer, and order data from Wix. These come as spreadsheets, but Shopify has its own format, so you'll need to edit the files to match their templates. That means adjusting headers, cleaning up entries, and making sure all required fields are filled. If you're using a migration app from the Shopify App Store, the process is more automated. These apps usually walk you through syncing products, customers, and order histories without much file editing. Going with the Shopify expert is hands off. They handle the full migration, including SEO redirects, site structure, and performance tuning. Once the data is ready, import it to your Shopify admin under products, customers, or orders. Double check the imports after. They won't always be perfect. You likely need to tweak product listings, rebuild your collections, and reformat text and images. Some content like blogs or pages has to be copied over and manually unless your app includes it. Once the pieces are in place, preview your Shopify site before going live.